Saturday morning. We just took a slow morning. Today we're going to be doing a lot of the spring projects around the house. They're building the flower boxes today. I went thrifting with my mom and I got some things that I wanted to show you all. This is the first pot that I got. This one is from TJ Maxx and it was $12.99 for, I mean, this pot is pretty big for $12.99 compared to like going to Target or even Lowe's. I was there yesterday. Their pots for half the size of this were even more than what I paid for this. And so I just thought this was really sweet and cute, and I loved the mauve color with the white flowers. So I got this. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it for my potted monstera plant that I have or if I'm going to use it for flowers yet. That's another thing that we're going to do today is we are going to plant the potted flowers that I bought yesterday from Lowe's. The other things that I got yesterday were I went to Lowe's. They had all of their flowers out. So if you're wanting to go ahead and plant your potted flowers, they had their annuals and perennials out. It was so pretty and relaxing. It was amazing walking through those aisles. But they did have their planters out, and I found this one for $16.99. So it's a little bit more pricey, but the quality is really good, and I just really liked the look of it. I got that one yesterday at Lowe's. I'm going to plant some of my flowers in that because I just think that is just so pretty. Flowers. These are Margarita Dark Pink African Daisies, and these take full sun. So they're just super pretty. I got 2 of these, and then I got 1 of the orange, and these are gonna go in the pots because they're annuals. So I'm going to plant these today, and this is the orange flare. I think I'm gonna go with this one for all of them. I don't know. What do you guys think? This one or this one? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. This is a vintage wooden wicker basket plant stand, and it was $10 at the thrift store. And I was like blown away. It was just so pretty, and the quality is nice. It's not like broken anywhere. This is a little loose, but it gives it character. And so I'm probably gonna put my monstera plant in this. That's why I'm choosing between this, because this is so heavy that it can't really fit in there. And so either I'm going to put my flowers in a pot in this, or I'm gonna put my plant in it. And I think that putting my plant in it is just gonna win, because this is just I just really think it's like a one-of-a-kind looking plant stand. I've never seen anything like it before. Thrift finds like this is just so much more rewarding than even in going and buying some stuff new, because like it takes work to find stuff like this. Like, you're not guaranteed to find what you want every time you go to the thrift store. So when you do find it, it's literally like Christmas morning. But that is my vintage thrift find of the day.